is Thursday, the 7th of August. Welcome back to the lecture series, another psychology video. Today we're going to be talking about how to stay calm when the market is crazy. Now I'm going to refer to my previous video about how you need to become still and be able to be comfortable in that stillness. We spoke a lot in that video, so if you haven't gone and watched that, go and watch it after. A lot of the information here will be found in that video, so I'm going to cut that bit out. I'm not going to speak too much on that. I'm going to refer you back to that. Another video I'm going to refer to is the video that came out yesterday on Wednesday the 6th. This video was quite in depth about the brain, and this video will then follow on from that, using what we spoke about to then implement into the same ideologies, but choosing stillness to add. Now, the easiest way to answer this, if I hadn't have made 2 videos in the past about this specific topic, this would be a 20-30 minute video, but because I've already made videos on it, I will not make it as long, maybe a couple of minutes. But if you watch those 2 videos, especially the one that we posted yesterday, you need to choose stillness in adding into your subconscious mind. Now, I'm not going to talk about what we spoke about yesterday because I'll be here for hours, but the only answer I can give is you need to have the ability to be still. And when I'm saying still, I'm not just saying don't click buy or sell, or not get scared to move your stop loss and break even too early and partial. And I'm saying your mind has to be still. Your mind has to have the absence of motion. Your mind has to be silent, quiet, and hush. Now, when you finally have the ability of being still, whether that's gained through meditation or social media detox or whatever method you may use, it really allows your brain to think properly without being brainwashed into thinking specific things, because a lot of what we see and a lot of what we think is likely not our thoughts from the brain. It's likely programmed and engineered from other sources, either engineered from our subconscious mind or engineered from news outlets or from TikTok or YouTube or content creators, influencers. But not a lot of it comes from our own brain and how we actually think. And when you understand how to be still, you think a lot more. And once you think a lot more, you understand that you want to pick the thoughts that are coming in and get rid of any thoughts that are low value, low vibrational, irrelevant to your future self. So once you've got this skill of being still, being calm, the markets will seem so much easier. Coming into the market, not needing anything from it because your mind is clear and still. How good does that sound? I bet you pay money to be taught how to do it, and I'm giving you methods for free. But let me tell you, once you finally unlock the ability to be still and the ability to think and control your thoughts, life becomes a lot more the way you want it to be. Because you're controlling your own destiny, you're controlling your own reality by altering the perception due to your subconscious and due to the act of choosing your thoughts and how you see things. Don't see the market as a volatile playground. I see it for what it is. My mind is clear the whole time. There is no emotion. My mind is still. When it comes to execute, there's no FOMO, there's no greed, there's no fear. There's this conviction and confidence. But if you really want to be able to stay calm when the market is crazy, you got to take away the market and start practicing stillness outside of the charts. And at first you'll get bored very easily, you'll get distracted, but you have to keep striving, because once you achieve this level of stillness, once you achieve the ability to control your thoughts, your life will change forever. So let this be the last video that you watch before you take action. Let this be a wake-up call to start choosing your own reality, to start choosing your own perception, to control every single thing that happens and how you react to it. That's all I've got to say. I'll see you tomorrow.